Hey guys, doing a quick analysis on Cardano here. So we saw that ADA against the US dollars had these liquidation events where it's come and touched these points and then immediately jumped back, started performing well against that line. I've been pretty lucky to play this one out over the past year or so, but we're back down to this touch zone and we're seeing lift off. Now, that doesn't necessarily mean that we can't capitulate, because if we go back to our base case on the NASDAQ, we still have a speculation risk. We still have a high probability of seeing this downside. Now, we haven't broken this general trend line just yet. We're still seeing an overall uptrend, but we are seeing lower lows, and so the speculation risk may still be in front of us that we could see some collapsing into these. However, as long as we keep that in mind, this can be a good entry point. We look at Cardano versus Bitcoin and we see that it's had a constant downtrend. We're into way oversold territory in terms of what it's held before. So obviously on the dollar it was doing pretty well, but against Bitcoin it had kind of this falter, and now we're seeing a rise. And so whether or not it outperforms Bitcoin or even Ethereum, which we also see is an extremely oversold territory, and when I invert it, you can see that we've had kind of this continuous rise in Ethereum. And obviously, with these sharp moves, Cardano is a counter trade to Ethereum, and we're seeing weakness in Ethereum. We're probably going to see Cardano perform. But that might be to the downside, where even though it's going to outperform it, it's just going to outperform it by not falling as much. So we do need to be concerned with that. But overall, I think that when it comes to accumulating altcoins or trying to get an opportunity in, since Cardano is back down to a base in US dollar, there's really not a reason to say that it's necessarily bad here. And with all the positive news going on, I would say that there's a high probability of it performing well if we're going to continue to see a general bull market trend in altcoins. So.